Hello, hello, hello. And today, welcome to Storytime with Dog. I forgot to say that. Today, I'm going to read a book called Here Comes Santa Cat. He's put the sign up in front of Claus. It was going to be Here Comes Santa Claus, but the cat's like, nope. Written by Deborah. Oh, I can't see it. There's the sticker there. I'll go in here and see where it is. Here comes Santa Cat. Oh, there's lots of pages. There we go. That's the page I was looking for. Here Comes Santa Cat by Deborah Underwood and pictures by Claudia Rueda. Hope I pronounced that right. Hey, Santa, have you seen Cat? Cat, I didn't even recognize you. Why are you dressed like Santa? So you can give yourself a present? Oh, Cat, Santa will bring you a present, won't he? No? Why not? Oh, you've been naughty. I see your problem. A lot of naughty and a little bit of nice. But are you sure you want to be Santa? Santa has to climb down chimneys. Can you do that? Uh-oh. Well, maybe you'll get the hang of it. But Cat, Santa has magic reindeer. How will you fly? A jetpack? Do you even know how to use a whoosh? Whoosh! Whoa! I'm gonna crash! Ouch! Cat, this is silly. Besides, Santa doesn't give gifts to himself. He gives them to other people. Well, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Instead of being Santa, why don't you just try to be nice? You're worried it's too late? It's never too late. What's a nice thing you could do? Go Christmas caroling? Great! Meow, meow, meow. Cat? Maybe something else. You're going to give presents to children? Well, that's wonderful. What happened? The children didn't want the presents? What were you giving them? Oh, any other ideas? Maybe ones that don't involve fish? Yes, it would be very nice if you helped decorate the tree in the town square. Good going, Cat. Have fun. There he goes. Crash. Oh no, what did Cat do? Wow. Looks like Cat's got himself all tied up. Oh, Cat. I'm sure Santa is glad you tried. I am too. In fact, I have a present for you myself. 2 cans of your favorite fancy cat food. Oh, he looks happy. Well, goodness. Who's this? It's another cat. Meow. Oh, the little baby cat. I wonder what that poor kitten wants, cat. What do you think he wants? I think I know. Any ideas? Yep. Oh, little kitten's giving cat a hug. Cat, do you realize what just happened? You did something nice. Look, it's Santa, and he does have a present for you. I knew it. Uh-oh. Wow. An official Santa's helper suit. Oh, that's fantastic. Cat, where are you going? You have a present for Santa? Ho, ho, ho. Nice, cat. Very nice. Merry Christmas. The end. That was a very cute book. Here comes Santa Cat. Oh, well, thank you for coming to story time. And you know what? I'm going to go do something nice right now because, I would like a present for Christmas too. And I haven't been very nice. So I need to be more nice before Christmas. Oh no. Okay. I'll see you later on Story Time with Dog. Bye bye.